Hi, welcome to Recipecheckr. I'm Sunder. Today I'm going to make it more like a Chettinad-style mushroom pepper fry. It's also good for health because we're adding pepper. Let's check it out. The ingredients we need for mushroom pepper fry are, now I'm going to take the kadai or a pan and I'm going to just use a little bit of oil and then make a basic masala of using all the ingredients and finally adding the mushrooms. This very important critical element is that the mushrooms need to be cooked perfectly all right, because mushroom has a high moisture content, water content ingredient. So you shouldn't overcook it and you shouldn't undercook it. So that's the key. Let's find out. So I'm going to take about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. And once the oil is warm, and I'm going to add first the red chilies. Once that's slightly warm and now it's just started sautéing, adding the fennel seeds. Onion. As usual, I'm adding a little bit of salt at this stage. Adding the curry leaves once the onion is clear and sautéed a bit. About 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste. Now once it's sautéed a bit, I'm going to add about 1/4 of a teaspoon turmeric powder, same quantity of chili powder, 1/4 of a teaspoon or little more of the coriander powder. Now I'm going to add the tomatoes. I'm just adding about 1 teaspoon of just water. Now once this is sautéed, I'm going to add the coconut paste which I have made. The coconut paste will work as a binding agent, a flavoring agent, a base. Just give you a good mouthfeel, and it is healthy too. Just add a little bit of water. So that just mix well and get cooked well. So this we're going to make it as a dry consistency, which means that I'm not going to add any further water in it. I'm going to add the mushrooms. The mushroom leave some water out, so that is enough for it to get cooked. So you don't need to add any excess water. So make sure you just scrape the base. So you can see the mushroom should be little soft, but still you feel to have that crunchiness. Very important. So don't overcook it. It's been there exactly for about 2 minutes. And I'm going to completely reduce the flame. I'm going to add the pepper powder. Just less than 1 teaspoon, depends on how spiciness you want. If you want a little spicy, you can just add a little more, but I'm just adding this. But this gives you the dark color, which is very important. 2 teaspoons of coconut oil. That give you a kind of a glaze, flavor and taste. And some coriander leaves. Switch this off. Beautiful mushroom pepper fry is ready. So it's a very quick dish. Doesn't take much time, probably about 20 minutes. If you have all the ingredients ready, you just need to grind the coconut and start with the pan and straight away cook it. So please try this, give your feedback. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you with another recipe soon. Thank you.